Well, this is an update on the Mark II JCB 2D. As you can see, it's been welded now along, seam welded like that. It's been welded all the way along because all this was rotted out. So this has been prepped. It's going to be lightly filled. It's been blended in. All this is going to be sort of lightly filled and smoothed along up to the top there. That's going to be ground back, filled. As you can see, this is the lower window. It's been strengthened and welded into the original structure. So it's come out not too bad actually. This is 2mm plate, which is 1mm thicker than the original. So this cab will be 50% stronger when it's finished. As you can see, that's the rear light apertures cut out. All the back end has been renewed. All down that end has been renewed. All the top there's been strengthened. It's a 50mm box on the base. So the next stage is now is to grind back this bit here, tidy up, grind back, fill and sand all that back, grind all that back, fill, grind that on the door entrance all the way down. The front, the windscreen has been strengthened with angle iron, so this is solid, and the hole's been drilled to take work lights at the front, so this is the front of the machine. That's been replated, welded, that'll be ground back and filled. So when the last job's now is to tidy up that, grind that, that's all been welded together. So the final job would be to do this at the other end. That's all left now on the back. All this is going to be tidied up. This has been cut roughly. So it's this is for the door, which will slide onto that on there. So that's it. She's taking shape now. She's looking a lot better, as you can see. So the next stage is to concentrate on this side to complete. Then that's going to be ground back, sanded. The inside of the cab is going to be wire brushed. All the internal parts of this has been treated with anti-rust. So all the cavities inside this has been treated now. So she's really a lot stronger than she was originally, by 50%, as I say. So till next time.